Welcome to our EasyBilling tutorial series. In this video, we are going to give you a quick tour of the main user interface. We've designed EasyBilling to be intuitive and easy to navigate, so let's jump right in. This is the main screen of the EasyBilling software. The interface is divided into three main sections to help you manage your business efficiently. On the far left, you will find the Tools box. This is your main navigation hub. It contains the sections for all your major modules, such as the customer list, supplier list, item list, reports, templates, and the recycle bin. The large area on the right is your main display area. This is where your records and lists will be shown based on what you select in the Tools box. By default, the document folder is selected when you start the program. When you click on this folder in the Tools box, all your created documents, like invoices and quotations, are listed here in the main display area. It is also worth noting that if you create other custom document folders to organize your files, those folders will be listed right here in the Tools box as well, just like the default document folder. Now, take a look at the top of the screen. This is the Action Toolbar. The buttons here are context sensitive, meaning they change depending on which section you are in. Since we are in the document view, you'll see buttons relevant to managing invoices and quotes. You have New Document, Edit, Print, Move, Delete, and Batch Create. You can also filter your documents by number, status, or date using the bars just above the list. Let's see how the interface adapts to your workflow. Let's go back to the Tools box on the left and click on Customer List. Notice two things happened. First, the main display area now displays your list of customers with details like telephone, email, address. Second, and most importantly, the Action Toolbar at the top has changed. You now see buttons specifically for managing clients. You have New Customer, Edit, Delete, Import, Export, and even Print Address buttons. This same logic applies to the rest of the software. Whether you click on the supplier list, item list, or reports in the Tools box, the relevant records will appear in the main display area, and the toolbar at the top will update to give you the specific tools you need for that task. That's the beauty of the EasyBilling interface, it always puts the right tools right in front of you. Thanks for watching.